Welcome to Amsterdam. In this video, we'll take you along to discover some of the city's most beautiful highlights, from famous landmarks to hidden gems along the canals. We kick off our Amsterdam walking tour right here at Central Station, heading towards the city center to explore some of the best things to do in Amsterdam. Attracting over 20 million visitors annually, Amsterdam is one of the most popular tourist destinations in Europe. So keep watching to discover what makes this city so special. And stay until the end, because I'll be sharing my honest opinion about Amsterdam. The canal cruises are so dominant throughout the city center that it almost feels like something you simply can't miss as a tourist. It certainly looks like a beautiful and relaxing way to experience the city. My first feeling about Amsterdam is that it feels like an open-air museum with all its beautiful old buildings and bridges. Amsterdam wouldn't be Amsterdam without bikes. With more bicycles than people, the city runs on two wheels. Did you know there are over 800,000 bikes in Amsterdam? The whole city really feels like it's built for bikes. As we stroll through the streets, we're surrounded by beautiful old buildings with their classic Dutch facades, each one telling a story of Amsterdam's rich past. We arrive at Dam Square, the beating heart of Amsterdam, with the impressive Royal Palace towering over the square, and Madame Tussauds nearby, always busy with visitors. Now, we continue this city tour as we walk to one of the most famous and visited museums in Amsterdam. We've arrived at one of the most meaningful places in Amsterdam, the Anne Frank House. This is where Anne Frank and her family hid during World War II, and where she wrote her famous diary. Today, it's one of the city's most visited and important museums. Let's keep the adventure going and see what else this city has in store. Amsterdam is famous for its historic canals, which have been part of the city for over 400 years. They were originally built for transport, defense, and water management. And today, they're one of the city's most iconic sites. With over 100 kilometers of historic canals, Amsterdam is often called the Venice of the North. One of the best places to visit in Amsterdam is the Rijksmuseum, home to some of the world's most famous Dutch masterpieces. If you love art and history, the Rijksmuseum is one of the top Amsterdam tourist attractions you shouldn't miss. It's where you'll find the Night Watch, along with countless masterpieces that tell the story of the Dutch Golden Age. is Museumplein, where Amsterdam breathes. A place for locals to meet, unwind, and enjoy the simple beauty of the city. And it's the perfect place to take some amazing travel photos. After a little break, we walk from the museum square towards the most expensive shopping street in the Netherlands. Now, we've arrived at the famous PC Hoofdstraat, Amsterdam's most exclusive shopping street. Here you'll find luxury brands like Chanel, Louis Vuitton, and Cartier, alongside stylish boutiques and high-end jewelers. It's a favorite spot for fashion lovers, celebrities, and anyone looking to experience a touch of glamour in the city. Just around the corner is Vondelpark, the last stop on our Amsterdam walking tour. A great place to unwind and soak up the local vibe. It's the city's most popular park, loved by both locals and visitors alike. And now, as promised, my honest opinion about Amsterdam. While the city is often known for all the wrong reasons, to me, Amsterdam is a fun and vibrant place where every type of tourist can find something they enjoy. Just walking around this beautiful, historic city is already an experience in itself. There's so much charm in the old streets, and it feels like there's something interesting happening around every corner. So as a city trip, I definitely recommend Amsterdam. And if you ever get the chance to visit, I hope you have an amazing time. Thanks for coming along. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures.